What's up guys, this is my 2015 BMW 335i. I have a BMS intake, VRSF charge pipe, VRSF intercooler, AWE touring exhaust, boot mode, stage 1 tune, 91 octane, and 8-speed transmission tune by BootMod also. This is just a quick video of me going on a drive, doing some launches, downshifts, revs, tunnels, all that. Well, I was planning on launching it here, but of course I got stuck behind two cars going slow. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. I need to find some better roads to drive on. I feel like every launch I do is just another opportunity for me to get pulled over when I'm driving around the city. But the car is pretty quick at stage 1. I have a high flow VRSF downpipe. It's just been sitting in my room for over a month now. I really need to go get it installed. At this point, that's the only thing preventing me from going stage 2. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please give me a like, subscribe. Got a lot more videos coming.